So anybody that's traveled in a snowstorm knows that it can be very painful. We just had a recent event that left people stranded in long commutes of up to 8 and 10 hours, or being diverted to hotels and such. So we wanted to make a quick survival guide so that people were prepared to travel in those types of events. You want to make sure you have a kit available in your vehicle at all times during the winter. You want to include stuff like an ice scraper. You want to have a snow removal tool so that you can get all the snow off of your vehicle, and then maybe a small shovel, so should you happen to get stuck in a snowdrift or something, you have the means to clear your tire. Another thing that you want to have in the kit would be either a wool or synthetic blanket, something that would give you warming properties and insulate you, and be able to get wet but still maintain those warming properties. Along with that, you would want to make sure that you have the appropriate footwear, maybe some socks, gloves, hand warmers, stuff to keep you warm in the event that you were driving home from work and you didn't have the right shoes on, and you needed to flee the vehicle and move into other conditions. So another thing might be a couple snack bars so that you can keep your hunger at bay while you're being stranded or taking a long time to get to help or where you need to be. The other thing that you want to make sure that you have is some sort of lighting or safety equipment, so like flares, maybe a flashing beacon or a flashlight, so that you can let other people know that either you're stranded or disabled and that you would need some help. Lastly, there's traction devices that you can put on your vehicle. So like either tire chains you might want to pick up a pair of for your vehicle, or they have things that you can slide under your tires in an emergency to help you get out of a stuck spot. And also you'd probably want to bring a backup power supply for your phone or electronic gadgets that you would need to keep in use should your battery life start to go low and your vehicle's not able to supply them. So for this and other great tips, head on over to our website, www.deboersauto.com, and check us out there.